Okay, so I just wanted to show you here. We got these really, really cool butterfly stickers. They're kind of a pinkish, shiny, glossy look to them. And you can fold them up. See, they come flat like this, but you can fold them up and then they become 3D. And then they're little stickers that you can put on like your mirror or your wall or whatever kind of place you want to use them for. Super easy to use as any kind of a decoration or anything like that. And what you do is they gave you these little double stick little pieces of double stick tape foam stuff that you just put on the body right in here in order to be able to stick them to things and stuff. And I've got one on the bathroom mirror I'll show you here in a second. But the one thing I wanted to tell you is that they have a protective film on them. And so what I have done in order to try and get the protective film off is it's on I just took a little spoon and I just scraped across the bottom there. They don't have any kind of a tab that sticks out to pull this off, so you kind of have to just kind of peel it back. And what I did was I took a spoon and I just scraped along the bottom and back there and stuff, and it's on both sides there. I'll see if I can do it with this one here too, because it's a little bit of a process here where you just kind of do a little scrape with the back of the spoon, and then it pulls that little layer of protective film off. If you can see when I scraped it, see that little tab that's coming up there, and so you can see this side still has the protective film on it, but then this side doesn't. See how much shinier that side is? So then you just kind of pull that little tab off, and you can just do it wherever you want as far as just a little scrapey and stuff. But scrapey, and then if you want, you just fold it up a little bit right around the body there, and then you can put a little piece of double stick tape there, and then you have these little three-dimensional ones and stuff. So really, really cool. And I will show you here where I put one on my bathroom mirror. Okay, they sent these to us so that we could show them to you. Yeah, you can see up there, there's one of the large ones on my bathroom mirror there. You can see three-dimensional, really, really cool. And it came with 4 large ones, 8 medium ones, and 36 of those small ones. But they have like a really nice, elegant, shiny look to them, and I like them. So